juniors and the amateurs, which is...
We're very grateful. Obviously, without sponsors, events like this would not be possible, and we're looking forward to what promises to be a record-setting event in many ways over the next 2 weeks at Eric Bell National Tennis Center, NCB Sports and Wellness Center, and here at Liguanea Club.
As we know, sports contribute to building confidence, building communities, and building countries. We at LASCO, along with our partner Unilever, through their degree grant, are extremely proud to be sponsors of the support to the All-Jamaica Tennis Championships. We are also excited to be the event title sponsor for the men's open competition.
Of course, Tennis Jamaica will always be our home. It's where we will have a lot of fun, and we're hoping for 12 days free of injuries. Nobody should be not hydrated, making sure you have electrolytes from your Powerade, your nutrition from your T-Shake, and of course water will definitely keep you hydrated through the whole season.
We sponsored the earlier January tournament, and it was a fantastic turnout. Everybody had a fantastic time against the blackout on the court, and we're looking forward to closing out the year in the same manner.
New on the calendar events is a 10 and under, which we have never had before. The entries, I think we're going to have 40, 50 children by just in that category. It will start on the final 2 days of the junior event, which is the 21st and 22nd, and we're looking, it's a mini court red ball, and we're looking for a wonderful event with the 10 and under. That's where it's all starts. So we're putting it on the calendar, and this is where with the young ones will get a chance to showcase their skills.